Passive income. It's one of the most popular money topics on the internet, but also one of the most misunderstood. Some people think passive income means making money while you sit on the beach. Others imagine it as a magic system where you earn endlessly without lifting a finger. And a lot of people assume you need a ton of money to start. The truth is far more realistic, far more achievable, and much more powerful. In this video, we're going to break passive income down to its most simple and honest form. No hype. No get-rich-quick scams. Just real-world explanations and strategies you can start applying in your life today. By the end of this video, you're going to understand what passive income really is, what it isn't, how to start even if you have zero money, which passive income ideas actually work, and how to build a system that grows over time. So let's get started. And if you want more videos about saving money, investing, and building financial freedom, remember to subscribe so you never miss out. Passive income is money that continues to come in after the initial work is done. That's the simplest definition. It doesn't mean zero work. It doesn't mean zero effort. It means that once you build the system, or once you invest the money, the income continues to flow without you actively trading hours for dollars every single day. Think of your job. If you don't go to work, you don't get paid. But with passive income, you can take a day off, take a week off, or even take a month off, and the system you built continues generating money. That is the main difference. Your time becomes separated from your income. If you're enjoying the video so far and it's helping you understand passive income more clearly, make sure to hit the like button. It helps this content reach more people who need it. Now let me clear up one of the biggest myths right away. There is no such thing as 100% passive income. Every passive income idea needs something. Either time, or money, or maintenance, or learning. Even the most passive systems require attention. Rental properties need repairs. YouTube videos need to be uploaded consistently. Investments need occasional monitoring. Digital products still need marketing. But the amount of ongoing effort is dramatically less than a traditional job. So don't fall for the idea that passive income means doing absolutely nothing. Instead, think of it like this. You do a lot of work up front, and then the system pays you over and over again with minimal effort later. Now that we've defined passive income, let's talk about the two categories. All passive income fits into one of two groups: asset-based passive income and system-based passive income. Asset-based passive income is when you invest money to make money. This includes things like dividends from index funds, rental income from real estate, interest from high-yield savings accounts, payments from bonds or treasury bills, and other financial instruments that pay you simply for owning them. The advantage of asset-based passive income is that once you invest, the income is relatively stable and doesn't require a lot of ongoing work. The downside is obvious: you need capital. You need money to start. The second category is system-based passive income. This is when you build something once and it generates money repeatedly. This includes things like YouTube videos, digital products, affiliate marketing, online courses, print-on-demand products, blogs that earn advertising revenue, and even automation-based businesses. The advantage of system-based passive income is that you can start with little or no money. The downside is that these systems take time to build, and you must learn skills along the way. But for beginners, this is often the most practical path. Before we move on, if you're new to the channel, this is Smart Money 101, and every week we post simple, easy-to-understand videos that help you take control of your money. If that sounds useful to you, make sure to subscribe. Most people start with system-based passive income because it doesn't require large savings or huge investments. But over time, many people blend both categories. They invest money, and they build systems. That's how long-term wealth is built. Now let's talk about one of the biggest misconceptions. People often confuse passive income with active side hustles. For example, driving Uber is not passive income. Freelancing is not passive income. Doing graphic design for clients is not passive income. Selling your time in any form is not passive income. The moment you stop working, the income disappears. True passive income continues even when you step away. Let's make this practical now. What does real passive income look like for beginners? Let's start with the easiest options: high-yield savings accounts and treasury bills. These are simple. They don't require skills, and they don't require significant effort. You simply put your money into a higher interest account or into a government-backed bond and earn interest automatically. This won't make you rich, but it introduces you to the concept of earning without work. Next, we have index funds. Index funds are one of the most powerful passive income engines in the world. They are diversified, low-cost, and historically reliable. When you invest in an index fund, you earn passive returns through two things: long-term growth and dividends. This means your money grows while you sleep. It's one of the simplest and safest ways to build passive income for the future. If you want a full step-by-step beginner guide to get started with investing, make sure to check out the other videos on this channel after watching this one. Now let's move to system-based passive income that beginners can start even with $0. One of the best examples is affiliate marketing. This is when you recommend a product or service and earn a commission when someone purchases through your link. You don't need to create the product. You don't need inventory. You simply explain, recommend, or review something you genuinely believe in. You can do this through YouTube videos, TikTok content, blogs, or even social media posts. Another powerful option is YouTube. YouTube is one of the purest forms of system-based passive income because videos you upload today can earn money for years. YouTube pays you from advertising, affiliate links, and even sponsorships once your channel grows. You invest time up front to create the video, but once it's uploaded, it becomes a digital asset that continues working for you endlessly. Digital products are also an amazing passive income source. This includes things like templates, guides, checklists, ebooks, planners, meal plans, workout programs, and anything that can be downloaded instantly. You create it once and sell it repeatedly without any additional production costs. Courses are another example. If you have knowledge about anything, cooking, budgeting, software, fitness, productivity, even how to use AI tools, you can create a simple online course. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to solve a real problem. Once it's uploaded, it can continue earning. Let's talk about print on demand. This is where you design artwork or simple text designs and upload them to platforms like Redbubble, Amazon Merch, or Teespring. When someone buys a product, the company prints it, ships it, and pays you a royalty. You don't manage inventory. You don't ship anything. You create once and earn repeatedly. If you're finding these examples helpful, drop a like on the video to support the channel, and so we know to create more content like this. Now let's go deeper and talk about how passive income works behind the scenes. Every passive income source has three phases: the creation phase, the growth phase, and the payoff phase. The creation phase is where the work happens. This is when you build the system, you create the video, write the ebook, design the product, build the course, or invest your money. This is the hardest part because there is no income yet. You are building the foundation. The growth phase happens next. This is where you promote, optimize, learn, and improve. You might post more videos, learn marketing, improve your designs, or reinvest your earnings. During this stage, your system becomes stronger and starts gaining traction. You might not be earning much yet, but the foundation is becoming solid. Then comes the payoff phase. This is when the system you built starts earning automatically. You might wake up to sales. You might earn dividends. You might see your videos getting views while you sleep. This is the phase everyone dreams about, but it only comes after consistent effort in the first two phases. Now let's talk about what most people get wrong. People expect passive income to be fast. They want immediate results. But passive income follows a simple pattern: slow at first, then suddenly powerful. The beginning is always slow because you're building something new. But the magic of passive income is momentum. Once the system starts growing, it becomes easier and easier to maintain. Another common mistake is trying too many passive income ideas at once. If you chase everything, you finish nothing. The key is to pick one path and stay consistent. You don't need 10 streams to start. You need one strong stream that eventually leads to many more. If you're still watching right now, that means you're serious about building financial freedom. So take a moment and subscribe. This channel is here to help you every step of the way. Now let's explore the mindset you need to successfully build passive income. First, you need patience. Passive income is not for people who quit after 1 week. Second, you need consistency. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to keep showing up. Third, you need a long-term vision. Passive income doesn't just improve your finances. It improves your freedom, your time, your choices, your lifestyle. It changes the way you think about money. Now let's talk about how to choose the right passive income idea for you. Start by understanding your strengths. If you enjoy talking, YouTube might be your path. If you like writing, digital products or blogging might be your path. If you love visuals, print on demand might fit. If you enjoy reviewing products, affiliate marketing could be perfect. And if you want a list of the easiest passive income ideas for beginners, check out the videos linked on this channel after this one.